To create a photo gallery module, click on the shortcode builder, create a new shortcode. Select the photo gallery module from the Types tab. From the Sources tab, select the source files from Google Drive that you want to display in the module. Click Next. Now you are in the Excludes tab, where you can customize every file and folder that you want to exclude. Click Next. The next step is to set up advanced options. You can do multiple customizations, such as module width, height, browser view, breadcrumbs, and others. Click Next. From Permission tab, you can allow or disallow user permissions. Click Save Changes and copy the shortcode from the shortcode builder page. Paste the shortcode into any of your page or post. This is how the photo gallery output will look like.